On this video, we're going to take a look at this epilator and we're going to try it on my face. Stay tuned for the whole video. This is a shaver slash epilator, so it pulls the hair with its root. This is used for facial hair on the upper lip, chin, maybe a cheek. If you want to use it to touch up hair removal on the bikini line, maybe underarms, legs. Maybe you want to trim the hair that is 5 millimeters. This is the device for you. She says she already had one, but hers is like 8 years old. So I figured I'd get this one. Hers is probably twice the size. What I like about this one is the handle. It kind of reminds me of like a very fancy spa lipstick. The handle is sort of like, feels kind of like sandpaper. There's a light. And never, you see how it's slowed down? So never use this with batteries that are dead. And that was the problem that I did the first time that I gave it to her. You also receive, so you got your little brush so you can clean the tips. You got this so you can place this inside. They also provided you with this protective cap for the epilator. So we've got some hairs on my cheek. They're not as long as my hair on my foot, so let's go. Now in the dark, let's turn off the light. You can still see pretty good in the dark. And there's no way to turn off the light either, so let's give it a go. It's working right here. You can see it's fluctuating, but it definitely hurts. So anytime it hurts is when it pulls the hair and plucks it out. So yeah, you can see right here, it plucked it. If you want to press it a little more, yeah, so unlike shaving, this will pull the hair out. It's going to be out a lot longer, but you can see that there's literally a little redness that's happening. So it definitely works. If it works for me, it's definitely going to work for anybody else, but it is painful. So if you don't mind the pain, this is something you probably want to consider.